Formula E exists to advance sustainable human progress through the power of electric racing. The first and only sport to be certified net zero carbon since inception, Formula E was founded to counteract climate change by accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles.
Everybody on the planet will be driving an electric vehicle in the foreseeable future. What better way to showcase electric vehicles than Formula E?
Ready to check?
Let's go.
The ABB FIA Formula E World Championship brings intense and unpredictable all-electric racing
2 laps remaining, let's go get him.
to the heart of the world's most iconic cities. In its first 6 seasons, Formula E crowned 5 different champions and celebrated 17 winners in 69 races.
We have the best drivers in the world.
To drive a Formula E car and do well, you kind of have to be a superhuman because there's so many things you have to manage at the same time.
So you're racing to be as efficient as possible and as fast as possible.
Formula E is one of the most challenging motorsports of them all.
With more automotive manufacturers on the grid than any other motorsport series, the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship is not only one of the most exciting racing series on the planet,
They made contact!
but also an unparalleled proving ground for race-to-road electric vehicle and sustainable mobility technologies.
We launched a 20-kilometre range increase to the Jaguar I-Pace, which was literally learned from our experience in Formula E.
Powered by purpose.
Formula E can keep educating the way the public sees electrification.
There's so many women doing so many varied roles, so we've got engineers to events to logistic managers.
And united by a passion to deliver edge-of-the-seat racing.
We're a fiercely competitive team.
Max Günther gets into the lead to win in Santiago and win in Formula E for the first time!
I can't believe how happy I am.
The positively charged Formula E community of teams, manufacturers, partners, broadcasters, host cities and fans work together to light up the world with the transformative power of electric racing.
Push, 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 push!
6-0! De Grassi wins!